Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to your English class. Hope you are fine and doing well and practicing your studies. So here I am back again with our session that is describing words, and today we will do some new topic that is not new to you, rather than I can say that today we will practice. So what we will practice today, come let's see what we have to practice. So for this you have to watch the video very carefully, and this is your oral part. Listen students, this is your oral part. No need to write it down anywhere. Okay, so this you have to do orally. First, here is the heading, so read it with me. What I have in the heading, we have fill in the blanks. Now we have to fill the blanks with suitable describing words that are provided beside the brackets. So here we have a sentence with some blanks and we have two words. We have to choose which word is suitable describing word for that respective sentence. Clear to everybody? Now come, let's start to do it. Okay, so now read the first sentence, that is I play, Play, play dash games, Games, games. And beside that we have two words. One is active, Active, and the other is empty, Empty, empty. Active means active and empty means khali. So between these two words, which one will go with the game? I know. Yes, that is active. So the answer is active. I play active games. So now come to number 2. Here is the sentence. The leaves, leaves, are, the leaves are. Now leaves mean pata, গাছের পাতা. So গাছের পাতা, how it can be look like? Here we have again two options. One is salty, Salty, and the other is green, Green, green. Now, I guess you know the answer, so please write it down, children. So, our 3-number sentences, let's read it. She likes, Likes, likes the dash jacket, Jacket. And in the brackets we have two words. One is happy and the other is orange, Orange. Now guess the children which word will be appropriate. She likes the happy jacket or she likes the orange jacket. Now I guess you know the answer, then please write it down. Okay, so let's read number 4. The pilot flies a dash aeroplane. Now we have two words again in the bracket. One is big and the other is clean, Clean, clean. Now tell me, the pilot flies a big aeroplane or the pilot flies a clean aeroplane? Now I understand that you guessed it. Yes, you guessed it right. So now write it down. Okay, so let's check out number 5. What is it? I have, have a dash pencil, Pencil, pencil. And the words in the brackets are, one is weak, Weak, weak mane durbol, and the other is small, Small, small mane choto. So tell me children, can a pencil be weak? একটা পেন্সিল কি দুর্বল হতে পারে? So it should be the other answer. Now I hope you have understood. So please write it down. Let's have a look of number 6. That is she, saw, a dash ant, ant, pipre. She saw a dash ant. And we have two words again. One is tiny, Tiny. What does it mean? It means small, choto. And the other is tall, Tall. Tall means lamba. So, an ant. What is the shape of an ant? Is it tall or is it Tiny. Now, I hope you have guessed it. Yes, so write it down. Now it's time for number 7. So, what is it? She, S-H-E, she, bakes, B-A-K-E-S, bakes, dash, cakes, C-A-K-E-S, cakes. She bakes, dash, cakes. Now, how can we describe a cake? Is it yummy, Y-U-M-M-Y, or is it strong? A cake, it should be, yes, yummy. So now you have the answer. So write it down. So this is our last sentence. Okay, so let's do it. Next is I like, L-I-K-E, like the, T-H-E, the dash butterfly, B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. I like the dash butterfly. And the words in the brackets are, one is colorful, COLOUR FUL, colorful মানে রং চঙে, and the other is shy, SHY, shy. Shy means লাজুক, যে লজ্জা পাচ্ছে. So my dear children, a butterfly, can it be shy? No. So the answer is obviously the other one. Yes. So you have guessed it right. Now write it down fast. So I hope you have understood and you will practice it and you will do it. Yes, because you can do it. So keep practicing, keep enjoying, and do exercise every day. Till then, I will take your leave, children. Take care. Bye bye.